I'm Kyler, and today I'm going to be showing you the adjustments you can make on your Wheel Kaddy 250 series. So using these 3 bolts here, we're going to take the nuts off all of them with 9/16 wrench and 9/16 socket. So the reason that you would need to adjust anything in here is for the height of your mower. So this could vary a lot. So you might have to adjust this to get the right angle that you want here. So you can take this bolt out, and then you can take this bolt out, and now that allows you all of this in here. So these slots here are your adjustment for the pitch of your foot plate. So for this mower, we're gonna go right here, and it's gonna come through in this slot, and back through this zinc plate. And then you can just put all your nuts back on. And that's how you adjust the pitch of your 250.